Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I'm also LinkedIn trainer and coach. Are you searching to download your resume from LinkedIn? With the simple step-by-step guideline, whether you are creating a new resume or updating your current one. LinkedIn makes it easy to export your profile as a professional resume. In this video, I will show you how to save your LinkedIn resume as a PDF. You can use this PDF as your resume and perfect for job seekers, freelancer, or anyone looking to perfect their LinkedIn experience professionally. But keep in mind, before updating the LinkedIn feature, there was the option of more button, and now you can see that here is the resources. Last time there is a button of more option, and from here you can build your resume. But now LinkedIn changed the feature, and here is a no button of a more. Here is a button of resources. Simply you just need to open your LinkedIn profile, and after this you just need to click on resources, and after this you just need to scroll down this button, and now different features more added by LinkedIn. And now you can see that personal demographic information, save items, activity about this profile. So in this video we will discuss how you can download your resume as a PDF. So simply you just need to click on save to PDF, and now you can see that your resume is ready, and now you can see that. And from here simply you just need to click on download, and from here I am just giving the name of this resume. For example, I'm just giving the name of and now it's downloaded, and now you can see that. So in this way you can download your resume from your LinkedIn.